Welcome back to MH Car Review, and today we have something absolutely extraordinary to show you. What you're looking at isn't just a motorhome, it's a glimpse into the future of luxury travel, and it comes from one of the most prestigious names in the automotive world, Lexus. This is the Lexus Motorhome concept, and it's redefining everything we thought we knew about recreational vehicles. Let's start with the exterior because, honestly, it's impossible to look away from this masterpiece. The design language is unlike anything we've seen before in the motorhome segment. Lexus has taken their signature spindle grille design and evolved it into something that looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. The front fascia is dominated by a massive, sculpted grille with intricate patterns that flow seamlessly into the bodywork. The dark teal and silver two-tone paint scheme gives it an almost aquatic quality, like a luxury yacht on wheels. The LED lighting is integrated so subtly into the design that it enhances the futuristic aesthetic without being overwhelming. What really catches your eye are those massive turbine-style wheels, and yes, this is a 6-wheel configuration, giving it an imposing presence that commands attention wherever it goes. The aerodynamic bodywork features flowing curves and sharp lines that aren't just for show, they're functional, helping to reduce drag and improve efficiency despite the enormous size of this vehicle. Moving around to the side, you'll notice the expansive glass panels that run along the upper deck, providing panoramic views for passengers inside. The step design creates two distinct levels, with the upper lounge area offering an elevated viewing experience. The lower section houses the main living quarters, and those sculptural side panels aren't just decorative, they likely conceal storage compartments and utility systems. The overall length of this beast is estimated to be around 40 to 45 feet, making it one of the largest luxury motorhomes ever conceived. Now let's talk about the interior, which is where Lexus has truly let their luxury expertise shine. When those doors open, you're greeted by a staircase that wouldn't look out of place in a 5-star hotel. The interior is bathed in warm ambient lighting that creates an inviting atmosphere. The materials used throughout are absolutely top tier. Think hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, possibly even marble or stone accents in certain areas. The layout is incredibly spacious and open, taking full advantage of that two-level design we saw from outside. The lower level serves as the main living area, and we can expect it to include a fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances, probably including a convection oven, induction cooktop, and a wine cooler because this is Lexus we're talking about. The seating areas likely feature the same level of comfort you'd find in a Lexus LS sedan, with heating, cooling, and massage functions. There's almost certainly a master bedroom suite with a king-size bed, ensuite bathroom with a rainfall shower, and possibly even a soaking tub. Climate control throughout would be multi-zone, ensuring everyone stays comfortable regardless of where they are in the vehicle. The upper level is what really sets this apart. It appears to be a lounge and entertainment area with expansive seating where guests can gather and enjoy the views through those massive windows. The connectivity and entertainment systems would be state-of-the-art, with multiple displays, a premium sound system that would rival any home theater setup, and complete smart home integration allowing you to control everything from lighting to window shades with your voice or smartphone. When it comes to performance, Lexus hasn't released full specifications yet, but we can make some educated guesses based on current technology. Given Lexus's push toward electrification, this motorhome likely features a hybrid or fully electric powertrain. If it's hybrid, we're probably looking at a combination of a powerful V8 engine paired with electric motors, possibly generating somewhere in the range of 600 to 800 horsepower combined. That might seem excessive, but remember, this vehicle likely weighs well over 20,000 pounds fully loaded, so you need that power to move it efficiently. If it's fully electric, we'd expect a battery pack in the 300 to 400 kilowatt-hour range to provide adequate range, possibly 200 to 250 miles on a single charge. The suspension system would be advanced air suspension with active damping, ensuring a smooth ride despite the size and weight. There would also be multiple driving modes, from an eco mode for maximum efficiency to a sport mode that tightens up the handling characteristics as much as possible for a vehicle this size. Now, about pricing. Here's where things get really interesting. This isn't a production vehicle yet, it's a concept, but if Lexus were to build it, we're talking about an ultra-luxury segment where normal pricing doesn't apply. Comparable luxury motorhomes from brands like Marchi Mobile or Faulkner Mobile can easily exceed $2 million, and some reach upward of $3 or even $4 million. Given the Lexus brand prestige, the cutting-edge technology, and the absolutely stunning design, if this were to go into limited production, we'd estimate a starting price somewhere in the $2.5 to $3 million range, possibly higher for fully customized versions. At that price point, buyers would expect complete customization options, allowing them to specify everything from the interior materials and color schemes to the entertainment systems and even the powertrain configuration. This Lexus motorhome concept represents the absolute pinnacle of what's possible when automotive luxury meets recreational vehicle design. It's a rolling mansion, a mobile 5-star hotel, and a testament to what happens when engineers and designers are given the freedom to create without compromise. Thanks for watching MH Car Review, and we'll see you in the next one.